From the heartland of innovation, Stillwater, Oklahoma, emerges a beacon of scientific dedication, MaxQ. Founded and operated by biomedical scientists, this is where vision meets reality. MaxQ's commitment goes beyond materials. It's a testament to the fusion of science and innovation. Every product and every package holds not just materials, but life-changing potentials. We're not just revolutionizing packaging, we're helping healthcare heroes save lives. Our journey began in 2017 with the first pre-qualified blood cooler, a game changer. This innovation set the standard for secure transportation of red blood cells, plasma, and platelets. Then in 2019, we introduced the industry's first blood cooler with integrated monitoring, a leap forward in blood safety. Then was our MaxPlus first generation MTP Cooler, the first cooler to ever carry 3 different blood products. And now, we present the pinnacle of our journey, the MaxPlus MTP Cooler redesigned. With extreme durability, tighter temperature control, and the industry's best user experience, MaxQ's legacy of innovation has led us here. Packing for immediate blood delivery takes only 30 seconds, ensuring rapid response when every second counts. And as a testament to our commitment to user experience, the MaxPlus MTP Cooler comes with a detachable card for seamless transportation. And the value of our MTP Cooler is proven with satisfied customers throughout the entire industry.